If you are wondering why I am sitting here, then in this travel series of Murshidabad, right now I am in Hajardwari Palace. It was the palace of Sirajuddaula. I am going to show you the palace from outside and inside. So let's begin.
So let's go!
So right now I am in Hajardwari Palace, just in front of the palace. And please travel with me to see the surroundings here. Camera is not allowed inside this Hajardwari palace, so we just entered in this palace and watched a lot of things from the period of Sirajuddaula and his dynasty. And I wrote down few things in this diary to share with you. Like this palace was made in the style of European Doric style, and there is a lot of arms in this palace inside, which there is camera is not allowed there, but you can just go inside and see, and you can write down those things. Likewise I did in my diary. Also inside this palace there is a lot of stuffs made up of ivory, that is the tooth of elephant. And kings, actually nawabs at that time, used to kill a lot of elephants and used to make things like their ornaments, their different types of box, and also different types of instruments to use in their daily lives. Also I saw a special type of plate inside this palace, which is colored green. Whenever the king or nawab used to eat something, he used to taste those foods by taking few samples in that plate. If that food was poisonous, then the color of the plate used to change its color, and there is an enormous number of poison in that food, then that plate used to break down. Isn't it beautiful? Also I saw a very special type of mirror in the palace, where there is a two side of the mirror, where if you stand there with your friend, then you can see just lower part of your body. Right now I am in Palace Garden, and you can see there is a beautiful clock behind me. While traveling here, if you feel thirsty, you can drink from here. And right now I'm ending this vlog here. You can visit anytime in this palace of Hajardwari, which is situated in Murshidabad. So see you in the next vlog series of Murshidabad. Till then, stay tuned with us. Bye bye.